Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this M235i. It's the 3 litre petrol, and if you are getting this fault code here, guys, so 104401 P0108, so like if you're getting this absolute pressure sensor, you're probably getting drivetrain warning, car's in lit mode, maybe not, maybe it is. I'll show you exactly where this fault code is and where this sensor is, so you get, it's a plug and play if you ask me, so nothing crazy. So take off the engine cover, which we've got over there. Once you have, come around all the way to the back, so on this manifold here, and it's to do with this sensor here. Let me see if I can get a part number for you other than the spider there. Let's see if we can grab the spider out of the way. It's a spider that came with a car. Come on, it's such a flimsy spider. It's got too many legs. Oh, there we go. That's God forgive you, eh? There you are. So this is the part number, guys. Let's see if I can grab it. It's a bit difficult to grab the part number, but there it is. And this is where the sensor is. It's really easy, guys, nothing crazy or hard. Open these two bolts, change the sensor. You've got this bit here that kind of takes place. It's a bit annoying, so you might have to just pull it back a bit without breaking it. Change this by an original OEM, guys. What tends to happen from experience, so reality is you can take the original one out and clean it with the electrical sprayer. This may help, maybe. If it does, happy days, nothing to worry about. Clean it, put it back, done, dusted. If it obviously doesn't, buy an original OEM online dealer. I don't think they're that expensive, they're probably around 40-50 quid, and just literally change it. Simple as that, and then you just do a full scan and clear, done and dusted.